Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and give your keyboard a little bit of an upgrade with these gorgeous keycaps from YMDK.
This is a set of botanical keycaps, and they are absolutely beautiful. My whole PC setup is white and green, so I knew I had to have these. They fit my RK87 mechanical keyboard perfectly, and it comes with everything you need. They come with 144 keys, so depending on the size of your keyboard, you've got plenty of options to choose from. They are all labeled super well so you know exactly where they can fit on your keyboard. And it also came with a key puller, so it makes switching your keys out super easy. And they are super customizable with all of these different options for the plants and colors.
I am obsessed with these keycaps. They match the aesthetic in my room perfectly. They match my PC perfectly. I couldn't be more happy with them, and that's my point of view.